Buenas pizzas. No. Good evening, one and all. If I evening, where you there, good evening. And if it's morning, pleasant good morning to you. If I know the afternoon, pleasant afternoon, I have no problem know where to do walk list. Love you there. Worthless people, I'm telling you this. Don't make me telling you stuff to share because I'm going to cuss you now. You see, before me cuss you now, just share. Good morning, people. And this is not that, my love. My name is good as clean, Ling Box. I'm going to ask people. People, good blood clean morning and good evening and good night. If a night is lucky. People, one and all, everywhere, far and near, no come. Oh, no come in. Hold on, because I try to do up that split here before we start the chucking because I know when we start labrish. When we start Lego tongue. No, sir, people talking truth to me. Look like I can't go for one blood clot cereal box. I look like I can't go for one blood clot cereal box or on a car meal. I not ask, you know. I feed on a fridge for no milk. I not ask, don't. Look for my blood clot. It is them good. I look like a Spanish dolphin. Hold on, I'm with the people. Big up my hairstylist, killer style. They don't know when I'm sleeping with my hairdresser. Yeah. My wife hairdresser and my hairdresser, I'm there with her too. Yes, people, good blood clot, man, because I want to topic out them here, say blood clot, Beenie have belly. Me here say dengue good Beenie man belly, how him belly young, so I want to wave and defend Bunty and I run with the police, them would have think of Bunty and run with the blood clot police, them would have go themselves. People big up on themselves, I say big up Zagazaw. I say Zagazaw go with himself with the blood clot lamb and them go with the nose and hungry Jamaican police, them hungry. Who don't know the Jamaican police, them are the hungriest thing. Come on, man, 4 bills a day them work at Jamaica, and 4 bills a day. 400 Jamaican dollar and shit. You understand me? So what people? What's up? Huh? How? Eh? No, a long time I don't see you can't say greetings. You can't say ling wagwan. You can't say lingers. Good clean pussy lingers. Lingers will never blood clot bow for money yet. You never see some blood clot me. You never see some me good girl. Never dash your belly yet. My belly clean. Me never drink no boy come here to me and that girl there. She see man. It's me. Good me. Me clean blood clot ling. Me not ask you man never did tell you the truth. I lie the boy I tell. Voila, me see a man. Me never dash on a belly. Me say hello good man. Mr. Morning. When I tell my morning outside the bright man look how long me no come boy. When I say dirty blood clot pretend and have up the whole of the blood clot camera light. And I don't go tell me more thing look at blood clot views and me can swing up on my bumbo clot pum string. Good morning people. When I tell my morning this is blood clot ling good day. Me not asking him, I say what more somebody said that me a black one. Hello? How now hold on my career? Cause my career did the fire in the blood clot sky like a star. I can see the stars across it. I'm putting me a bad blood clot girl. Good day? Morning people. Hello? No. Good as. I'm not ask you no. Yeah. So you want to kitchen blood clot store now people. I'm not ask you no to blood clot last like the clot noise. The clash nice. I'm not ask if blood clot killer never bodied. Blood clot. If you see the go out with himself doing whatever that ask. Big up blood clot Moses. Big up blood clot Moses. Vanessa, my sister, wagwan good. I'm not ask you a blood clot more there. Call more, pele wagwan and a done turn now, my turn. So all of that friend them get a blood clot corner. Get oh. Never mind, because I'm just look for my cotton tool. Good morning, people. Yes, the blood clear right and I'm not asking if dancehall not take the blood clot. All Rihanna, I see underneath that the live the last night I sit up on a one. Enough artists when a dancehall or go like them I bring belly for the 2 artists, them see them underneath the live. Me don't want to call nobody name, but last night the live did nice. And what a way about to kill her neatly, that's a disrespect Moses. last night to blood clip, I said, Bunty, I disrespect Moses. Hello, good day, people. What happened? I said, I had a girl let me sugar that last time. I said, hey, listen, Zogazo. I always try to tell you, I not ask you blood club, I tell you. You is the girl, them DJ. You are the 90s Dexter Daps. You are the 90s Dexter Daps without the melody. You see, back in the 90s, when you say this and that, Dexter settings are you that the girl am go and bad for the girl them sugar, or can I make love to her in a rush? Possibly the whole of we know that, but when you talk about gunshot and beating a boy's stomach like blood clot rain, you have to go link Rodney Price. You have to go link the great warlord. You have to go link. Remember, yo, somebody can teach me the bunty dance because right now I hit a carry blood clot swing. If one of the sister I hit a carry swing, I come fling off and me make me swing it for one. I ask some people look for me, looking at me eye, them and I like to. Thinking about people, I not lie to now, blood clot, looking at me eye, them I would not lie. Look at me balling. I say, I learn the blood clot bunty dance. Somehow don't need the bunty dance and the blood clot there on the mouth sour. Yeah, that's how I down that one. Eh? Kill me, kill me. You can't kill me. Kill who? Kill what? You mad? Kill me, kill who? Kill what? You mad? You can't blood clot kill me. Won't come in, jungle, your blood clot. Your blood clot. I want you the bunty dance out the fire. Go to me and ask. And the street is sitting. Yes, girl, and the street is no, but watch it now. I'm going to read about cartel liquor there. When you don't know, say I made the Gaza blood clot. I made the Gaza, what you don't call it, ambassador for blood clot Gaza. When you talk about Gaza, you talk about me, the blood clot radio station for Gaza. When you talk about the Gaza, you have to talk about me, nice, clean blood clot. Like everyone's to get all upon the blood clot body head, feel it in my blood clot belly from them days. I'm going to tell them in 11th grade. Yes, girl. From teacher, go on with himself them days, and I say blood clot Gaza. So from what do you know, I see him look a sun breathe sitting in the blood clot. All you dirty Lisa Anna. What is wrong with you? What kind of beef you have with cartel, so? The whole of them claim to say high blood clot potential people in the earth, but 2 children are breed. You move on a blood clot from your so good because the whole of we are over a long time. The whole of we are blood clot over a long time. Some of them pass the blood clot age and forgot so now did blood clot over. Some of we are fucked from we are 12, some of we are fucked from we are 13, some of we are fucked from we are 14. Me now got to rule out the blood clot age and me start rub crutches and lick pussy, but guess what now? Me did very blood clot young, good me now ask you. Some of the 2 blood clot eye cockatee and I come go and I come tell us that 2 cartel pitney in the rain and tell move on the blood clot and I found the pitney them a fuck like dog long time. Orin blood clot we long time me love me now ask them enough I don't know when me here get up a bunny out to blood clot from a 13 and from a blood clot 14 man I ride out on the whole like bicycle. Good you pussy sunny like blood clot pack soap long time now man get on rub out and plug out like TV. Yeah. Very rub out. And no, come see the little boy breed this big blood clot Yankee girl. She 18 now. Me hear someone that talk about say the girl is a pedophile for fuck off this 16-year-old boy. You idiot. A props for the boy blood clot cocky there, so. A props to the blood clot. I want to you. When I talk about if I the first girl him fuck breed that blood clot that then come down here for do. I want to know about blood. What the age of consent down here there? What is the age of consent? Because when I meet a blood class 16 and a fuck, them tell my mother say me is a big woman and me can't fuck down there. Because that is the age of consent down there. Them say when I meet a blood class 15 and 16, when you just in your 15 bracket you feel like you can't fuck, but when you touch the 16 bargain you can't blood clot fuck. And down there, uno down there see a man do it, so nobody come talk about say, boy, pit me a fuck and ray. I'm to the girl. You don't know how long me a fuck. I want to the youth. Nobody know the fuck girl. I want to know boy, girl, puss, cow, rat, dan. Nobody know the blood clad foolishness. All of we orin and a fuck long time. Don't at Jamaica there, do good, all the way get to blood clot, all fuck out, long blood clot time. Wish a girl can go look at you now at 15 and tell her say she a virgin. You do blood clot well. You do well because I'm in a seat a pussy clot. The whole of we been fuck out. Some of we fuck out from we all 20. Done. Nothing no left in that the crutch is there. Come in like one big inner middle blood clot for your big pudding. I'm gonna ask you. Bigger walla stop it. We are fucked from blood clot, whoppy kill, fill up our whole rubber, we not no walls left. Some of we done when we are 20 blood clot one, cause we start running pussy red long time. Top it! Cause we fuck out, you know, a long time. That's why we say the age of blood clot second down is the 28, 27 margin, cause we been a fuck long time. Remember say pussy no come for 10 underneath bumbo clot, we are stay tight and we are fuck so. Nobody with the foolishness. So what I mean, some of the women them come talk about all holy. I'm gonna bring Jesus out of blood clot this. Cause the whole of we are fuck like a dog for bumbo clot ears. And when me tell about like dog, we mean like dog and I suck everybody cocky. Everybody would have get blood clot suck from we young. No for we blood clot girl can look at our one another here and talk it. From we are 15 we are suck good, 16 we are suck good, 17 we are suck good. So I want to know. What happened to blood clot? No, ras clot. People are all for fuck out. And when the blood clot, they never like a pit in your arm once that jump at 12 and blood clot 13. Remember say 12 nowadays they can't give them like a girl a blood clot party. You have to give them iPhone X so they can text when the blood clot you. I want to you girl. If you don't go looking at some of them little 12 and 13-year-old phone right now, some big blood clot hood where you never see blood clot yet. Some cocky where you want to fuck at them, they hear like a girl a fuck and a suck off. Tap it. Nobody with the about about young. Young what? I want to now Africa from now 10. From now 10, them a fuck in on the blood clot hole. When I come talk about say children. Children, your blood clot. At 10 when you see them come pick you out like blood clot mango. In your yard there and tell your father say, Moss Charlie, you see she over there sir, and me I gonna start fuck she what I say. You can't blood clot because guess what the end of the blood clot there? I saw it go over there. So when I come talk about 16 and you don't miss me with that, you don't find me over here, so tell me and then me moving out of my face because when the top here we fuck out long time man, nobody with the foolishness. Jamaica system teach you to fuck from early. The man there now make a rest. All the police them a fuck with you. Politician we a talk to one no politician. Politician me a be the first one to draw out them boy out of them shell and tell them they choke about the police them a fuck with from we young. Them a fuck with from we young carnal abuse them don't know about that. Them a officer the blood clot land them a fuck with and not no feel all good so we have one squad a fuck out the blood clot who will feel nice. We feel 100% glorious no blood clot. You say, oh Jesus, you don't know say it's a one blood clot officer of the law fuck me. What you talk about? Come on! Andrew Wellness, make we talk about your blood clot society where you have down there. Enough soldier fuck with our young. Enough police a fuck with our blood clot young. I fuck with all in a police car. Enough. Nobody feel like I talk to myself. Go suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother! That's why I met her for myself. You can beat me, come grab me now. I hear man the fuck. Mama tell you this, and I'm going to terrible. I'm going to come like a virus and I'm corona goodie. Yeah! I'm going to ask you, a bomber clock tell you because at one point goodie there was days where Paul, yes, Mr. Wellness, I'm going to talk, I'm going to call him name, coming to one, get no gunshot and go back a yard. Mr. Wellness, I can tell you something. You see, one time I was 16 years old, I was just about to do CXC. Broad, just get shape. I just realized that I'm going to be, you know, a lovely girl. Man start look for me now, Mr. Wellness. Guess who I look hard? The police them, because them a ride down for me in a chair. Right? And I make me know say, oh, make sure some walk good, go home, sir. And them tell me say you have to give them my number so them can keep a good eye on me. And when we give them my number we start text no sex. And them tell me say we give some gratuities if we give it AIDS out my pussy. Yes, Mr. Holness, them they tell me I fuck a one bad man, Mr. Holness. Because Mr. Holness I like Garrison come from. Mr. Holness I like Garrison come from. I know the Garrison come from, Mr. Holness, so me the fuck a one bad man in them that time they name Dwight. I take my look of virginity of me a beat like blood clot Congo drum and 9 but guess what now? A bad man who was and that again. So when the squaddy said that to me now, and squaddy I say, yo, blood clot money in the fuck for me because I be a blood clot fuck me that get and beat me, you know. Mr. Honest, because bad man is mind girl, you know. I beat them beat and fuck, you know. You understand me? When I get the fucking I'm all down from the bad boy, I'm dead the boy I beat up my blood clot and I know so I can't give no man my number when squaddy start text me. Bad man see it. And bad man says squaddy here fuck you know look a school girl. Remember him a big man too, but I fuck him a fuck look a school girl too. Me a big girl come here 16. You understand me? You just take me head not 16 man. Me feel good pussy up, pussy tight, pussy out, the pussy right. You understand me? Bumbo clad squaddy put 2 icky on the titty them and red. Me never fuck squaddy on the 2 bride. Me never fuck squaddy because you know why? Me a girl, me not cheat. You know what I'm looking weird there? It don't matter how much money I give me for lunch money and them thing there. You see me I deal with me not cheat but me look a bad man, God forgive me. You know say me never tell me about you. Hello, look here now. So anyway, Mr. Holness. Me fuck your squaddy. Me not gonna bring it. Me not carry it in my grave with me. Me I tell you. What am me a look a blood clot girl? You hear what me tell us a 16-year-old me G. So nobody come go on with yourself. So my time to be here no for no blood clot to talk out of no mouth. Me if you wonder, I wish one of the corrupt system them wanna come from. Because I couldn't the corrupt system where me blood clot come from me Ling right here so. You could have never come from the same nasty, corrupt thinking blood clot system where me come from. After we young, them a fuck with Mr. Holness so nobody can talk now. Nobody can talk, no bring down the celebrity talk, no bring down no. We all we are get fucked from we young. From we young, the big blood clot man them down there. Some of the kids, we are over, we glad. I want to make we into it, thank you. I own a blood clot, turn we in a blood clot, or thank you. We're giving thanks to all of that. Oh, look here, make we walk on the road in blood clot peace, make a reason. From get the little bumbo clot, but here the little titty they shove up out of the blood clot too much so on the start says. Remember, so whatever says, I want to go and answer when we are mash we up to, you know. I want to start fuck we out and done we out and nobody come with it now. Jonas the kartel look a son breed or look a girl. Nobody with it now. A long blood clot time this year go on because look a girl I get fucked long time. What do you know walk? What do you know walk in peace? By the time we have blood clot 20 we all big like one donut goody. You're just like one donut. Me not ask you big and bumbo clot waga water. So what I mean hear them only for bumbo clot, I bumbo. What you want to call them kind of people eh? What I society, I kakati, move no bumbo clot for you so. But you know, we don't know about you know, up to uptown, downtown, side town, around blood clot town, me no care. Enough for now, someone who want to hear and come and buy out the blood clot argument, you know how young you not get fucking up. All you know, all soul, you not get this fucking on the blood clot all in a goodie. Goodie? Enough for we get fucking our whole long time. Some you know nobody X out for them bumbo clot self and a blood clot. Scribble out for them like a bumbo clot pass. Talk the bumbo clot shoots. I don't know people are breed at 15, 16 and bumbo clot 17. I want to go there. Everything will come with high society. Jamaica is a blood clot land. We're not stable. Like most of the bumbo clot people that come from down there. Everybody know this about Jamaican man. Them love the carnal abuse. Jamaican man is carnal abuse man them. Jamaica man them is carnal abuse man them. Oh no, the beat it. Rascal. No big woman no get called to like a little girl. You no come touch me no. Come fight with me, can't show. Me say right blood clot now as we can look right there so. You wanna see what little 16-year-old girl a pass for this when every man turn blood clot idiot. But make him see one girl all a pass with her pitney all a guy's store. He man have no time for that. Yeah, oh, probably can fuck out of that one. Brother, give me out, suck out of that. And that's him a blood clot per out of that. What him not ask you? A long time. So one time me here you come with this vybz cartel son thing. You come go and two teacher have name. Move on a blood clot and you go reason about the rest of one them what they there. You go reason about the rest of one them what they there can right as we speak. You don't think a little 15 and 16 and 17 and 18-year-old girl breed? Breed? How some of them all them second blood clot picnic them a go for now? This is not new. Which part? I want the blood clot new. One time you're 15 and 16, boy, my age not call to me. For what? A big man, so old blood clot man, great tone, big the corner man them you see there. The bad man them, the general them. And them I call to you. So me don't know what kind of something this now cartel. No, baby girl, I don't know cartel son. This is a Jamaica blood clot law from day one, a be a pitney them fuck. So somebody tell me that me on about boy, I can't believe how Jamaica get when them a fuck off a little pitney. Them a long time Jamaica man love fuck little pitney. When they see blood clot girl and boy and little, no look up it. When you reach a blood clot 12 year old in Jamaica you grown. For them, a big blood clot somebody them there. So what time I hear someone on blood clot hypocrite go there, I not ask so no. Because enough of you grew up in the same blood clot community them like more. And what time you need a blood clot 16 and blood clot 17, when you now walk on the road a boy them want to walk and when you're at school or some boy will have big job and care and look you for fuck. Always remember that. So nowadays me hear someone not go talk about boy, the pitney them always reversing the thing I remember for no blood clot days them. Remember so the shortly just leave out of it and remember how it did go. Rascal them force and big woman and big man is in power yard. Them force with a big down there. I wanna know. Them force with a grow. Them grow we over blood clot night. Them pick we have a tree and wrap we up in a newspaper like blood clot East Indian. You're right. I saw them do it. What the fuck you not talk about? Mrs. Small. No, but I can't talk about. You know, so vybz cartel. What if that's glad that this like a young one that can take care of him specimen? Him can take care of the seed, he can take care of the nut. The fuck and come in at the other one gut. Them can, yeah, he have song a play up on radio and him have, yeah, but good as on the tappy. On the blood clot tappy, on the looking at my bumbo clot face and tappy. I don't know the whole how we get fucking our blood clot hole. The boy will take me virginity one time, yeah, 16, I'm 28. Tappy. Stop it. Mister, when me did a 16, the boy will fuck out my whole bus when me walk and go with my beer. I beer blood clot blood in my slippers. Him did a 28. Squaddy a big old man for me. Could have probably be my daddy. On the top it. A Jamaica blood clot system this long time. Long time. They force the whole with a blood clot grow. As soon as we jump out of Pampas, they're ready for fuck with. Mister, as we jump out of blood clot Pampas, Jamaica man, they're ready for we. 6th grade, 7th grade. 8th grade, 9th grade, you know matter, they don't care. Jamaica man them. Jamaica man them don't care, go there. When you come on to Jamaican man, them when you say 8th grade and 9th grade, you know, a wife, that, you know. When, no, we are going to reason about the blood clot country where we come from. One time you look, and you can see a big man of an 8th grade and a 9th grade as him what? So, wife, this, you know. Mama love her, man. We can't go down without her, man. Yeah, a Jamaica blood clot system, this. Well, remember, come out them over the blood clot and no taxi man a fuck girl in their hole for free trip. Want to blood clot, no panty there. Want to them the blood clot stigma, they want to tap you know. I don't like you no. Want to blood clot hypocritical. Because no blood clot knows that this is Jamaica system. I'm telling you, right now if you're that Jamaica and you're 17 and you're a virgin, is a laughing stock. Maybe them look down upon you for blood clot being a virgin down there so. If you're 16 and you're a virgin, you're idiot girl. Oh, you for be a virgin, you're mad. Where that I go? But never pick that. No, sir. Me could have never blood clot. Girl, my virginity set from me at 14. There was a time I be there with my man at 24. Remember, at that days, at that system that we come from. That's where we from. At Jamaica, that. When you pass on the road as a young little girl, all we know, someone on the blood clot fly out for a yard and I forgot to the bomber clot system. When I tap it, stop going like you don't know. So Jamaican, them love fuck like a girl. I feel them think that. How would the blood clot there? I feel them think that. My parents did young, yes. But my mother get me when she was 17. And my mother is a great friggin' mother. What you think? What you think? It makes some of them learn and it makes some of them worse how them blood clot is right now. And all of them can grow in a picnic. But Ross clot, if we talk about young mothers in Jamaica, hey! Get a breed out of school. After we think that. Look here. They talk about when you talk about Jamaican man. Not them fuck school girl. And them this a school girl, you know. What is school girl? 15 and 16 and 17, man. And them can ride up cocky. You don't remember when time Razor did come out? Come on, go back down in the history, because I'm not talking about cartel, son. You don't remember how much school girl used to come out and tape a suck off doctorhood? How much doctor want to see a fuck out girl hole in a bus? In a some back a building with mattress, with the razor phone them. The Jamaica system that. Well, fuck pit me. Them love fuck local girl. So the fuck would I go talk about one 16-year-old breed or 18-year-old? You don't miss me with the blood clot fuckery. Boy, that's not normal to me at all. That's not normal to me at all. Because in a 16, I think you would have breed on 12-year-old. That more look regular Jamaican to me. That look regular Jamaican to me. Rascal, 16 breed a 17-year-old. No, sir. Same age group. No, sir. I never see that yet. Normally, I see one 16-year-old girl breed for a 30-year-old. One 16-year-old breed for a 40-year-old, all 52. The rascal. I told people that in them own age group, in them same age group. And that just don't happen in Jamaica. Normally I want Dr. Pitney. Normally I want blood clot, one of them office building man there. One of them man that will drive a big car them. Enough blood clot pastor and police and All of them all in a parliament a fuck young little blood clot girl. Don't make we talk, you know. You see enough of the little girl. If all you do the unzip on a blood clot mouth and forget about the penny. Enough of you a fuck little blood clot girl. So I never read it. Never read it. Enough of you want to see when they did that talk for on brother them and on uncle them a fuck enough local girl I want to know about it and not talk. That's one of the commonest assault of blood clot yard local girl fucking. Oh no make we grow. Remember that. Remember Jamaica when they doing that let us grow. We can't grow in peace because of Uno. Remember say as the breast them bust. As the titty them bust. But say as the titty them bust, you don't want to suck them. You don't even know if the pussy start wet yet. As the blood clot breast them start bust. You don't fuck with. Remember that. Some of you don't even know if you can put out with drawers them good. If you can put in the padding out with drawers them good. If you can rinse out with drawers them good. You don't fuck. So we're not talking about one 16-year-old breed or a 17-year-old. How is this? You don't idiot? That look over blood clot normal for yard. Like yard finally I run good. Thank you, sweetheart. Me say it look like yard finally I run good. What pit me in their own a blood clot margin and breed them one another. Me glad. Because normally I would have one doctor, I would have one blood clot pharmacist, I would have one of them and them work up a surgical. So, me don't know. Unless me, I never yard me grow up and see it and know it. When I don't give blood clot girl chance to grow up, when I care about a 17-year-old girl who a virgin. I swear to you. I swear to you. Where them now make that grow. You mad? Them a pick that the blood clot mango there off a tree from the blood clot young, wrap it up in a newspaper and put it in the oven make it right. I'll teach her fuck pitney. Come on. So when me see a 16-year-old breed, a 17-year-old, all me can say, congrats. And I hope them grow them pitney good. Them young and them gonna have enough time to see them child grow. Thank God. Thank God. And I like say she breed for one man who live with him blood clot wife and him a one doctor where fuck many other school girl. Who don't make it look this year look too regular for me. She breed for him we are 16 and she is 17. That look too blood clot. That look too fucking real. Normally Jamaica do unreal. Jamaica do unreal, not real. Are you crazy? Which part of Jamaica can do real? At the first real, me say. At the first little age bracket, me say catch up. Normally, at the baby father 40, 35. Come on, people. On the top, make it look like me a blood clot line. The whole Caribbean, no, but I'm just speaking right now for Jamaica because them a say, oh, the pitney them, they can't believe. The pitney them, right now, them a little pitney kind of better off than the first little girl them because them want to know if you dash your belly now. Them you want to know if you can out the boy them if you go give them a little dash your belly money. So we don't have so much young pregnancies again. Because them a fuck big man where give them money if you go kill the belly now. Back in the day, man fuck them, breed them and cut gone. Them a little girl you hold them at blood clot ransom now if you kill that the belly there. So now when we see one little 16-year-old boy breed or a 17-year-old, I'm kind of glad. My blood clot glad for that the regular men there. The two of them young and them can flourish together and raise them pitney all if they're not blood clot married and live together like blood clot Prince and Cinderella at least. Them is the same age and have the same kind of blood clot frame of mind. Because normally I say go. Normally it is not this way at all. This is over normal for me, for yard. Yeah, man, Jamaica. Me, blood clot. You bring that 16, you your baby father after 53, 49, 29, 30. I want to know. This two blood clot regular. The other day, my son want to bring down the child, want to bring down the two pitney, them bumper clot. One time I was 16, my arm on them a kick me, I don't know about you. Me don't know about you and you. I never did a fuck no blood clot, big old man. One time me did a 17, my girlfriend was actually 20. She's still bigger than me, you know, but not too far, you know. Yeah. Yeah. You understand? Hormones and my blood clot kick the whole of we want fuck. How long we pussy start blood clot wet power? I want to know the hormones with the blood clot grow. We want fuck. But somehow we just get blood clot fuck from the wrong set. The bigger set when I supposed to fuck we. But we could have fuck monks to one another. Then just start fuck monks to one another allow them. They can always go back to school and do them after though they're young. Me like to see that. And I like say one big great one man destroy this little girl life. It's not like say one blood clot big great one woman did a try pedophile this youth. Them are the same blood clot age. At the first normal sitting me say for a long while. Normally I want to sit with your company blood clot. Internet it have company news. At Jamaica we talk about. I pick them love fuck from your 12 baby girl because I must have this the marble them coming in. Now you titty them in the marble them look a bump in our breast. When they come in at 12, yeah, they from they see blood clot bump. From they see the guinea, they might pick that blood clot. Whether the guinea sour or blood clot sweet. At the first normal this me see. Give thanks. I wish them all the best and I hope them produce a healthy baby boy or a baby girl. The baby is going to born very healthy. The two of them young and a flourish. Young, nice bones together. 16, 17. Okay. Them going to have a nice, like a healthy baby and no drama, no mix up, no corruption, no nothing. Two little lovebirds fucking and enjoying themselves till them read. A long time I listen to that. This shouldn't be a fairy tale for yard. The time when I have a little boy I drag him, this shouldn't be a fairy tale. All you blood clot Lisa, now what you know about yard? He prims the blood clot claims a rich girl or girl don't know about blood clot Jamaica when they sit down in a parliament every day. You don't know nothing about inner city, you don't know nothing about blood clot, how we grow. All the time when you come in our community, they have a blood clot by vote. Remember said the only time when you come in our community, they have to give you the blood clot chicken back and the 2 pound of rice. Remember said the only time when you come in there, so I don't know how you can talk to we. Eh? Lisa and you know how early they start fuck we down there? You don't know when primsy. Then a parliament you cock up Miss World. Can't talk to anybody. We not reason with you. We not reason with you. We not reason with you because Lisa, you could not get fucked younger than we. Unwillfully. Don't bother with it. Make the two little people them fuck it. Them done fuck and breed each other. Them it done. And them are this right age. I see no problem in this. None whatsoever clot. Ever the people who have one. Double people business there. What else is going out there? What is blood clot trending? People talk to me out there. My voice, my blood clot opinion. Because I don't know, so I don't know when the boy will let me out and get some of myself. And then disappear Felix. I can't bother with that. They don't know nothing about university. I don't have time to talk to them. They only come in there for come give me 2 blood clot teeth mackerel and the 3 pound of rice. I can't bother with it. No, sir. So what, people? No, sir. Put them in an ask the boy I want germs, you know. But you know how life go. We not hold on nobody. Eh? Eh? So what, people? What? I don't want to get into my blood clot life. What? Talk. Trouble! I saw them say, come here you. What is? Eh? No, I know, baby, it's Ling. Good, yes, mama, me, good old Ling. To my old body, come like Bobby Beer. It's sticky. Got it! But I ask you blood clot, I have to wash out my wall. Whether I baking soda, but I have to use lime because my pussy nasty. You understand me? I deal with some amount of blood clot, girl, and know not about personal hygiene. Shoot two girl, looking on the blood clot hole, make it melt, antibiotic, dirty girl. Me not ask you. Goody, me not ask you. Hmm? Oh, goody, looking at me head, me not ask you if I true, me I tell you, goody. Antibiotic, if you want pro blood clot biotics, you go mash up some blood clot orange or aloe vera and you have it. Goody, what? Look here. When me dip my one finger in my hole and I taste it and smell it, it have a blood clot 100. It can't 50 or 89 or 98. Me not ask you. Pussy have a 100, it have a taste like blood clot water and smell like the same. Hello people? Why? You understand me? I try to say to you use wipes in on the hole. Tissue giving infection. People, hello. Going to Walmart, great value. I'm not ask you. Sass! This way to you right now. Hello people, talk the truth. Flag out to the blood clot hole. For the blood. Look here, hello. You know what? For the whole blood clot quarantine, I come in to get my whole fuck out regular now. Or 2 morning I'm gonna get my whole dig out. But you know what, when I talk about me, I could talk about you. Only for wash out to the hole in the blood clot quarantine. Because right now, through the whole on the talk about say inside, the whole on have on a pussy inside and now go wash it. Only need to go wash on the hole. You don't wonder why the man lied up on the blood clot bed and now watch Law and Order. Just because the hole don't wash out. Only expect to get the pussy eats out when you're not washing it out. Use the wipes. Pussy a drip. Use the little wipes. Me I tell you the blood clot shoot. Sit down over the blood clot toilet. You piss, tap. Piss, tap. Piss, tap. You have to tap your blood clot hole. Tap your hole when you piss because you don't want the tricklings make your rank all raw. You want to smell edible at all times, people. That is why we come out and I try blood clot tell all on a girl. Because then I make some of we pussy now get near about here. You understand me? Head is a must. If you want your pussy to get sucked out goody, treat it. Treat your blood clot hole. 2 peg of garlic a blood clot daytime. Rinse out your pussy by the blood clot summer's eve wash, girl. Me now ask you, I'm tired down in the blood clot quarantine. Them of all papa flavor. Strawberry to me now ask you, good if you can't buy it in the Walmart, got a blood clot family. And the same thing goody. Go on in there. And then one time the blood clot period done for the quarantine month, they go to steam off your blood clot walls. Make the blood clot corruption, all of the blood clot infection and the man blood clot come them. Was stuck on by your walls. Just strip off your goodie. And that's how the blood clot raise for these things in the month time. You know. Wash your blood clot head. Got nothing like bleaching cream and stinking glue. And the done blood clot. No nobody good lace glue. I'm tired of or the blood clot here just them just cheap. All on the come on the blood clot. So head to blood clot. Stop with the wash and wear. Buy new lace, please, girls. Because one time man I go on the blood clot backers and then hold on the neck so for pulling in close on the blood clot neck and head sour. Beard, wash head. Because the quarantine now go work when you stuff up in the blood clot house and not rinse out your armpit. It now go work because it's quarantine time. Now quarantine, make sure see your teeth brush. Jesus Christ. Some of them rinse out the little drawers them good. Or they have the whole of the dirty clothes them in the house because they matter about say don't go outside. Everything wear out, Gucci, Prada, blood clot, filler, everybody wear out and in. What they go do? One do wear one suit, rinse it out in the bathroom, hang it over the door, make it dry. What do it now? In the name of Jesus in the house so. What do you be? My God, every minute you just a change clothes. A change clothes. What do you expect to happen in the quarantine? Somebody can't cook. Jesus Christ. Tin mackerel 8 on now. Sardine want forget about blood clot uno. Tuna say please bitch, not another day. Uno figure cook some good blood clot food and boil some soup in the blood clot quarantine. Use enough ginger when you cook up the pork, them and them sitting there good eh. Tin mackerel and them rabbit noodle and work out and treat on the man like him that jail. Jesus Christ. And what kind of commissary food do not cook him and them? I can't do this in the blood clot quarantine time. Please somebody help me. Somebody help me to blend up some juice. Jesus Christ, the little Hawaiian punch they can't steer in a Walmart. My God, want to make everything look bad. Every day you want to buy up the water, the water them in this and no juice, so no make with them, Jesus Christ. Want to have water pack up like say blood class time, I come for 3 months straight. Want to be happy? No, because when I'm looking down, this is wicked. Want to pin them here to the Jesus Christ. Want to try to ship out the pin them already out and don't even have to pin them for long. Want to turn in the house. The man going to 12 days to feed them. How to feed them in there? You can't stomach on the one and pick them, but you still a fuck so in a quarantine. Mrs. Somehow not talk about I haven't got any dick since the quarantine. Duh, bitch. Go bed, brush your teeth, clean the house, cook some food, ramen noodle, fuck up people belly, and make you fat. That's a lot of calories. You must do your man. Steam 2 fish, girl. God. I'm very sorry. I'm going to get home and journal sometime because oh, she don't want me goods. You know me there. Do not tap him. My time is just looking to now. I wonder one tone, you know. Think wanna leave me alone, man. Me hear some of the man them because they know so pretty than him ever go around the man company them what they me hear and go around ear them and me did that ears drop little bit. And the man them a talk about how back on the ears them sour. Who no wipe out back on the blood clot ears them. Please, one time on the beard, who no fi wipe out on the ears them. Jesus Christ. People want to go in the back and kiss up on the ears back. Jesus Christ. The last dignity. Just to kind of sit down and just stand, you know. The whole of my blood clot makeup guard. Big up my makeup artist and my ear just a killer styles. Big up my wife killer styles, and I already know which part she did the shop that Fort Lauderdale people want to get it there. When I notice how my edges them lay down, I now ask and I remember so if you go link G&G fashions, remember say that's the good clothes them there. G&G for the blood clot dance and for the blood clot diva, they make sure so you go over there and you get to the whole of the blood clot sitting them. They're going to make the video one time I don't come and know some I like them something man. You understand me, I like clothes, but I not go fuck feet, but more, you know. People understand and they serve, yeah. No, someone smell like blood clot doggos. And them something that me I talk about, but me just have to cut your shot with the internet break a while ago. You know already. People, hello. What a wicked and lie, I don't like, you know. Yes, dirty blood clot, girl. I whole out there, so not talk. The side chick them now. Because you know say I'm a retired side chick, you know. Please, when you do blood clot come back down in my issue, come here, girl talk when I do my suck people, man, who already I'm talk loud and proud. Look here, retire side chick attack. Why would you know say care nice feel like quarantine here? Because you know say we used to be the gas station run, yeah, and the overnight I work. But you have a grand yard now, you know it go, you know? But you know, we are the one that was say, oh, where you say, babes, you want something like a president? Me go buy it for you and come up, man. You pay sure? Yeah, man, me go buy it for you and come up, man. Yeah, remember how we are them girl, you know? When he got his store for him girl and he come give me a little fast link, you know, so can cocky real quick and just ride it off and, boy, babes, you know, if you text me, you go over the boy, baby girl, it care nice, so we in the blood clot quarantine, yeah, girl. You know we are the run now, you know, because guess what going on, get side chick, girl. Remember the line out of Walmart. Because your girl good for the line, the tongue heavy, you know. People, look at it. People, I say my tongue very light. I'm going to tell you what happened. One time the line them long, and them the time they come over me and come fuck me for one good 2 blood clot over because the line them that long over the people. People, the mask have it put on. No, you can't escape with fucking people, man. I'm telling you, it's corona. A side chick blood clot disease. A side chick. You see this? The wife them are talking about a feed them time now and a feed them time. Because, baby, at this year phone a blood clot excuse on I get none of you don't want to. I don't want to go outside. This corona out the man want me if you're going to the store them and me if you stand up in the line then you're my queen, stay at home. I'll go and be in the lines them and be a fucking idiot all day. And just and then bumbo clot over side chick yard, weed a bun, blood clot, woulda suck off pussy and their mouth. Everybody feel blood clot festive. Blood clot phone a call. You make couple noise in the background. Yo, babes, I want to tell you, yo, I can't take this and I'm so come out of this a blood clot line here. Because I wonder what kind of line this is, a 10 p. I said, no, baby, just calm down. Can't remember I really need something, you know. So guess what? Just calm down and stay in that line for me. Yo, this look like it's going to take 1 next 2, 3 hours. Baby, just come on, man. Don't worry yourself. When you come over, make it up. Alright, you know, we call him, you know, yeah, because him have to in my blood clot hole and wind up and down like blood clot carnival. Him have to in my crutches and wind up and down with him blood clot sausage. Him have to in my blood clot cushion peng. Him have to in it blood clot when you think it's a Walmart or Price blood clot mat. The whole of my oldest in your man's face. All of my old in your man's face. Him like that. All of my all in your man face him like that. All of me all. All of me all. All of me all in your face and you like that. I see me a wind up and down in your blood clot face. When you swear things at Walmart think I buy blood clot sausage and sausage bun. And at that time my blood clot to all him in a me hole, me a wind up and down. In a blood clot face, me a slide like blood. Me a slide like a rapids, me blood clot the water park. Me not ask the people, dirty people. Oi. Me say like a rapids water park. Me just say all about and I just slide, me a glide, me a go with my blood clot dirty self. People, me not ask you, hello. I know your blood clot face, me a want. Me just have the whole of the pussy. Me just, I want to take a big up coronavirus to the new lie them. For the new blood clot lie them for side chick them because enough that we tired of the gas station run. Because it's too sharp. 5 blood clot minutes can't work this a whole year. We can't suck cocky in a 5 minutes. Gas station run on me. Me like the new Walmart run it longer. Bumbo clot in my hole. Me like, I want the bumbo clot when me don't wind up in your man's face. When your man come on my yard try and make it up to you, you know, him probably kiss it for your forehead and say, baby, that line was so long. I just had to just go to bed. When the blood clot you, me fuck out that. Me fuck out your man and send him home and make him blame the line. Me fuck out your man and send your man home and make him blame the blood clot line in a Walmart or Price Mart or Mega Mart. Kiss out my blood clot, girl. Kiss out my blood clot. Thank you for the new light, them corona. Thank you for the water light. Thank you for the... I want the blood clot there. Your man call me, tell me a cashier. Me have every blood clot cashier vest and foreign. Walmart. Me have all blood clot. Me have Sam's, Publix, Presidente, Bravo. The whole blood clot works. Because what your girl call me just put on a blood clot vest and a mask and a trip. I made the blood clot cashier in my hole, you like that? In my hole, you like that? Up in my hole, up in my hole, up in my hole. I want the blood clot there, man. Goods. Me not ask you. Yeah, me put on my blood clot and bare things we are going with for your man for the corona, yeah. Corona, make we have new way for take on a blood clot, man. Right now in our blood clot hole. And it's sanitizer in our hole. I want the blood clot there. Your man have new ways to come check me now. Yeah, the wife them now. How them expect we're going to see our husbands now? It's going to be impossible because It's Corona. You gotta stay at home order, and the only way he goes out is to go buy hand sanitizer in Walmart. Haha. Such a stupid whore. Yeah. Go there. Every blood clot meat when come by. Every blood clot. Every time notice say man want go Walmart. Every time notice say man want go Walmart. Every time notice say man want go Walmart. Hey. Notice say man want him balls get licked. Notice say a man want come fuck out my hole. Notice I saw the Walmart treatment. Come and baby, you sure? You don't want nothing from Walmart. You know say yeah. Because I say me that run about for season. Let me hear you go no baby. Don't come. You notice you know why you come, you don't want your earth a blood clot. You don't want your earth a bone day. Move your blood clot and go over there so go sit down in a one corner. Go on over there, say another corner to go sit down. Go on over there, say another corner to go sit down. And take a book too. Hey, good it. You know you like that. Hey, when me suck on your man, other say hold me in my two like a blood clot ponytail them up your say no. And make me know say me I'm dirty bitch, you know, me I'm dirty whore and I can't fuck without blood clot me, you know. I be at the Walmart run. Suck to my blood clot nice, good it. Beep, beep, beep. I saw me a cash out. Beep. Oh, the blood clots you call me put on me babe and I give price. Dogs me. Girl, me get all blood clots scanner in my house just to show you how me have your man. In my hole like that. Move your blood clot from here so don't talk to me some blood clot atrocious. You wickedy? No, your man that blood clot Walmart every day. Your man that Walmart every day. Or up at the bank. He said, baby, why don't you use the ATM? No. Because the amount that I want, the ATM doesn't give it because I want to turn up in the line. Oh, 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 in the corner. In the line. I saw me about by a man blood clot old. When I swear think him in a line, him in my blood clot line, in my grind. In my blood clot grind. In my grind and I saw me a wine. In me holding like that. I want the blood clot right through. Right blood clot through. Me not ask you. Right up on him blood clot body head. Right up in this line. The margin is in my bowl good too. A 2020 cricket, you know. Yeah, if you blood clot corona, you can enough of the blood clot wife attack. So me have to come level the blood clot score with Uno. Me have to level the score with Uno. All of the Walmart run them. No matter watch the sleep with the night time because you not get no cuddling. You sleep with the but you get my whole ram out. You not get no fuck good. Me not ask me send your man home fuck out to you every time. And him when you become yourself goods, me not ask them, me I tell them. In my hole, me like it. No. Bumbleclad, no, we not. Side girl not take quickie again because Walmart runs are longer. Longer. Blood clot Walmart run them. Sex me. Your bumbleclad. Please open. Go open. Jesus Christ, at this margin I want open good. When your man come out to come buy the blood clot at dog bun them, he come up in my line. He come up in the line, remember there's 10 people to a Walmart. So when you see the 500 people them line up outside here, man, they are back. Bitch! Yeah, man, they are back at the blood clot line. Because him not come home right now. Not right now, because he's bowling very good between the margin. You understand? I hope y'all have a good laugh. Good day.